Well, hey guys, Kel Snake here. You never who's gonna be guessing who's on school. Yeah, that's right. I'm teaching folks how to make puzzle boxes. And this is one of the fun ones that I'm using to help teach people how to use their manifesting abilities. Oh, I can show you inside. Look at that. Crazy, right? However, it's amazing process to learn how to manifest design. And so other than starting people off with just this little bit, you're expected to use the processes I teach within the course to make your own mechanisms beyond the starting point. How exciting, right? Lots of fun times here. Come on out, join us at school. Puzzle Mechanics School is what it's called. SKOOL, just like the sign. See you there.